Holistic Hustler here. We seen here with my little shooter today, and we was getting some of this stuff out of these mangoes. And so I see a lot of people don't know how to cut mangoes. So we said we was gonna do this little how-to while I teach her how to get the inside out of the mango. All right, so it's only a few things that you need, right? So we need our little blender, because what we do is we make juices, and we got some other stuff we got coming to y'all, so we not gonna tell y'all everything we making. But just stay tuned, like, subscribe, and follow if y'all want to get y'all orders in. But check us out. So I'm already in the middle of cutting one. So you only need a few supplies. You need a sharp knife. Not really. You can also do this with a butter knife. And I'm going to show y'all how we can do it with a butter knife, because that's how I'm going to teach her. But I like to use a knife and a spoon. So right now I'm getting the inside of it out. Right? Nice juicy mangoes that we get out of the sanctuary. So I already got this one out, so we're going to go ahead and put this one in there. Right, that's all you need. All that out of there. When you finish,
So quiet.
it's going to look like that right there. Alright?
It needs to be empty, without anything in it.
Yep, then we're going to get the juice up off here too.
What's that?
This is seed.
Oh.
So we're going to get all that off of there, because we can use all that. So when we get through with the seed, it's going to look like a seed. Alright, so when I finish with a mango, that's what it looked like. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to scoop this out so I can cut this one. Alright, so what you're going to do is take your spoon, see the tip of the spoon, put it right there on the edge. See right there, you can see what come off green and it started to change colors. Yep. See how it easily been right there? I'm going to show y'all too. So if you look right here, you'll see between the skin, right here where it gets soft at, the spoon should be able to push right in. So you push that in and you just work it around. And it should go right around and fall off like that. Alright, so Aspen, just take it around like that. Oh, don't let the juice. Oh, see, that's juicy. Let's get that juice in there. So what you do is just take it around like that until you can get it all out.
Be around town.
Yep, around the town. Yep, we're going to put that on there. All right. Now, we're going to do it with a butter knife, so we're going to take the hard knives off. Let me get a little butter knife.
Oh, Daddy.
That's going to do what you need to do now. See? Butter knife. It's a butter knife. So what you're going to do, take your knife, stick it all the way into the seed. Once you get to the seed, make a circle. All the way around. Stay on the seed. Cut around the seed.
There you go.
Alright, once you get it around, now you take your mango, just twist it. And twist it, split into two.
It's going to be a little messy.
Alright, it is going to be messy. So from here,
is this good?
that's good.
Just put it.
Alright, from
How do I
here,
get this
she
stuff?
can go ahead, put that in there.
Okay. How do I get that stuff out?
So you just hold it in your hand, and you do just how you did that one. See, it come right on out with the spoon.
Okay.
Alright, scrape it all the way.
It smells so sweet.
Scrape it all the way to the skin.
This table's going to smell like sweetness.
And we're going to clean that off.
Sweet mango.
And that mango is clean.
Like it's cleaned up.
Alright, so now do that one. Here.
Okay.
So
My
from
hands
here,
are sticky now.
we're going to clean the seed off. Hold that in your hand,
Like this?
scrape it from the center.
Like this.
Yes, but I showed you how to do it. Clean that off. Alright, now we done cleaned that off. Almost. So now, you see your seed. So you take your knife, put it right down beside the seed, and cut around the seed. We're doing the same thing we just did. We just using the mango itself for grip. Get the seed out. Once you cut around it, put your knife down, and you should be able to just turn the seed out. Turn the seed, and the seed come out. From there, do the same thing. You really don't even need no spoon.
There you go.
I'm being you there. Ain't no there you go. Like I'm figuring it out.
I'm saying this for myself.
Oh, okay. Excuse me.
So the seed is like the heart.
All right, y'all. So we are done, and we finna make some puree, and we freeze it to keep it after the season. So if y'all like what y'all seen with me and my little shooter, y'all like, subscribe, comment, and y'all join Team Hustle, man. I keep telling y'all in every video. All right, so y'all tap in.
Love you.